Welcome to Maths Lesson 23. More on numbers. Positive numbers start from 0 and move on up. Negative numbers start from 0 and move on down. They are numbers that are less than 0. Whole numbers can be positive or negative numbers. Fractional numbers come between whole numbers. They are part of a whole number. What are the missing numbers? Have a look at these sequences and see if you can work out what the missing numbers are. The first line, 3, 12, and it ends with 48. See if you can work it out. "21 is the next number. Can you see the pattern? "30 and finally 39. So each one is add 9. Let's have a look at the next row. Starting with 10, then 1. Minus 8. It's a negative number. Minus 17. And finally, minus 26. Now have a go at the bottom row. 6, 17, 28. $39. And 50. So the pattern in the bottom row is add 11. What are the missing numbers in these sequences? 8, 4, minus 2, minus 6, minus 10, and finally minus 14. So those are take away 4 each time. Now try the middle row. 2, 7, 4. That looks like a different sort of sequence, doesn't it? Sometimes the sequencing will be alternate numbers. So instead of looking at 2, 7, 4, you could try 2, 4, and then the next alternate number, then you can go back to 7, the missing number, and end with 11. Shall we see what they are? 7, 9 and 11 go up 2 in alternate spaces. 2, 4 and 6 go up 2 in the other alternate spaces. Now let's have a look at the bottom row. See if you can work out this sequence. 31, 23, 15, 7, 1. So that's take away 8. Now stop the video and go to test 23A. Don't forget to come back to me when you have completed it. Are these true or false? 8 subtract 5 gives a negative number. True or false? False. The answer is 3. That's a positive number. 5 take away 7 gives a negative number. Is that true or false? 5 take away 7. 5 take away 7 is -2. So yes, it is a negative number. That's true. 2.5 add 3.5 gives a whole number. 2.5 add 3.5 equals 6. 6 is a whole number, so that's true. 6 divided by 2 gives a fractional number. Is that true or false? 6 divided by 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 3 is a whole number, so it's not a fractional number. That's false. Now go to test 23B. Let's have a look at a few more. 8 minus 5 gives a positive number. Is that true or false? True. 12 take away 7 gives a negative number. Is that true or false? It's false. 1½ add 3 gives a whole number. Is that true or false? It's false. The answer is 4½ so there's a fraction in it. 12 divided by 3 gives a fractional number. That's false too. The answer to 12 divided by 3 is 4. It doesn't have a fraction in the answer. Remember, positive numbers are more than 0. Negative numbers are less than 0. You are now ready to take your maths test. Go to Maths Test 23. Good luck!